hello, grabe si Marian. As in, grabe yung moment na yun. Honestly, for me, yung, kasi, like, totoo talaga na yung nagpaikot sa aming tatlo, kami, si Coach Bailey tsaka si Coach Julie, yung performance talaga, like, may something talaga sa, ferocity nung pag-push yan nung song na yun, yung One Moment in Time, na talagang by the second half onwards talagang na-move talaga kami. Pero, sobrang to witness yung moment nila ni Julie na naalala niya yung younger self niya. It's like being a part of history. Alam mo yun, yung parang you just know that someday, ito yung mga moments na parang babalikan ng mga tao. Kasi there really is something with Marian. And, I mean, even removing the fact na yung sa kapatid niya, she really has like this, she has it in her. And I hope that magtuloy-tuloy siya here sa The Voice Kids and even after. So, yun na yun. Grabe. Painit na ng painit yung mga nangyayari and masaya lang din yung may mga ganong moments na very heartfelt. Hindi mo rin talaga siya mapaplano. Kumbaga, kasi kanina nagtataka ako, first few notes pa lang, si Julie, talagang sabi niya, oh my gosh. Tapos sabi ko, wow, may something. Yun pala. That song meant so much to her. And then lalo na, like she really saw Marian as like a younger version of herself. So Marian, masaya kami para sa'yo. Good luck sa competition na to dito sa The Voice Kids and sana maging sobrang core memory sa buhay mo tong competition. Enjoy lang tayo. See you soon!